Good, happy Wednesday morning. It's the 15th of November, 2023. You're with Paul Everts. 2 minutes with Paul, possibly 3 minutes. So what am I going to talk about today? I'm going to talk about this movie I saw on Monday night with Diana, my wife. Domino Revival. Theater. I probably was about a third full. And what's Domino Revival, man? Is it the revival of playing dominoes? Of course not. What it's about is pastors, generally younger pastors, which is good, seeing a revival happening. And I'm going to need to agree with them. I think I agree with their argument that a revival is happening. We are seeing a Jesus revolution or a Jesus movement 2.0. And how it's happening, back in the 70s, it was music. Second chapter of Acts, Keith Green. Oh my gosh. Go listen to Keith Green. This generation's Jesus movement, Jesus revolution, is going to use movies, TV, social media. That's what's happening. So here's my advice to you. Check out Jesus. Check him out. There is no way I could have been in public education, been blessed to have taught for 30 years if it wasn't for Jesus. As I shared with you before, April 2021, I was told to take Jesus Christ out to the parking lot. Yeah, the principal said to me in a meeting, April 2021, Paul, you got to keep Jesus Christ in the parking lot. And my response to him was, are you telling all the people to put down their pride flag or BLM flags? And, oh, no, that's different, Paul. Different? Why can't we all be welcomed on the campus? I thought public high school was to welcome all. Aren't there Christians on the public campus? Don't you think Christians should be able to talk to other Christians, like gay people talk to other gay people? I just wish people just talk to people again. What about you? So, the other thing, too, that I'm hearing is how the government is doing such a wonderful job with our well-being. And I'm going, interesting. So I have to hear Mario Lopez talk about California Department of Health and their wellness. And I'm saying to myself, you don't need to do that. You have wellness all around you. It's called God. It's called Jesus. It's called the Holy Spirit. That's what it's called. Now, I'm not going to knock the pharma industry because I don't want to get in trouble. What I'm going to say to you, though, before you take a pill, go to Jesus. Check him out. He's real. He's real. And as I close my, 3 minutes, I just want to say thank you to all my friends. They know that I haven't changed. It's me. I'm enjoying life. I want you to enjoy life. I'm here for you. I love you. God bless. Thanks for watching. I just went over 3 minutes. Sorry.